Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Trade Shark, and I'm Sunil here. And welcome for this week's Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. And if there are any stocks which have come up in my scanner, we can definitely discuss that. Before we begin, again, important disclaimer that this channel is purely for stock market educational purpose, and you understand that trading, investing in share market is subject to market risks, and you need to consult your financial advisor before taking any trading and investment decisions. With that, let's straight away jump into the Nifty. Now, as I had told earlier, okay, so uh, this is the area last 5 days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? As I have told, right, this 24,864 level was crucial, and it tried to break it, but it never crossed. Every close of the day is below that level, and there is new level which is found with this is intraday level, that is 24,608. So somehow it has earlier taken the support, but now it has completely broken. So now it will be interesting how it behaves now. Now there are two possibilities. It will go back to this level, toggle in between, or another possibility is getting down. Now that could be a big fall. Okay, if it goes down, the next level is directly I can see is 24,041. This is something nifty level. I hope it uh, toggles in between these levels. We will get to see in coming days. So this was Nifty, and this is my analysis for the levels for the coming week. Coming to Bank Nifty, now Bank Nifty has been again the similar story here. So last 5 days, if you see, it was toggling between these levels, right? And it could it could not sustain this level, that is 56,130, and it has even broken my earlier level 55,955. So now this is something new. Demand zone is looks like around 55,617, 55,726 till 55,450. This zone seems to be kind of supportive, but again, if the market is too much bearish, it may cross and directly fall down till 53,600. We may see this fall coming up, but again, only time will tell whether it will. The what if analysis, what we call, whether it will go and bounce, keep on bouncing here and then go up, or continues its bearish trend. So, in short, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are bearish to sideways uh, kind of a scenario right now. Don't take any long positions unless you are expert. You can trade for the reversals, if any. Okay. One more interesting scenario I would like to discuss. Last time I talked about Elliott waves, right? How it applies even on short time frame. I will show you one example. Okay, this is again for Bank Nifty. I'll go in 15 minutes. Okay. Now, if you see this particular uh, wave pattern, this is exactly five wave structure. Okay. Now, how it works is, again, I will quickly draw so that you will understand. So this is the first wave, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. Now, if you see, since I had drawn all these levels earlier, how these levels are so important, because if I short here, you know the target, right? Either it will reach here or reach here, and then there will be bounce back. That is a fourth wave. Always remember the second, as a wave and fourth wave, they are going opposite to the actual impulse waves. Okay, so here in this scenario, this 1 2 3 4 5 structure is completely downwards, and you can see how these Elliott waves perfectly work. Okay, and again, as I mentioned, we cannot learn um, in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because there are so many other calculations to be considered. For example, here Fibonacci ratio also plays important role while calculating the targets of Elliott waves, and how actually we need to identify when the third wave is starting and when the fifth wave is starting. And as I've been mentioning, right, the fourth wave is the most dangerous phase. Okay, so here many stop losses keep on hitting. Okay, so as far as so that's the reason. Once you know where we are currently in the market, in which phase, you will avoid trading in this particular area, right? And then directly get into uh, either third wave or fifth wave. So this is the beauty. Maybe as I mentioned, if I get good likes and subscriptions, so definitely I will conduct a class for or a session for Elliott waves. This is very important aspect in understanding the market structure. Okay. With that, I think in this week, I would not say any particular stock of the week as such, but Geofinance is keeping its uh, run very nicely, so it's going good. So all these levels are already drawn. If you see, it has hit the 310 support. And so all these supports and resistances are already drawn, or supply and demand zone. So as I said, maybe if you have seen my earlier videos, from here there was a kind of a retest of this level, and now again it is going for 338 at least, and then the next level is 376. So these targets are already drawn on the chart. Okay, it's not like aftermath, right? So this is very important, where the chart is going or where your stock is moving is important to know, and you can stay invested and calm. So for example, one may close their positions here because as it is going down, right? So you need to keep patience, and once you know where it is going and these levels are working precisely, and then it becomes very easy. Last time I had given one stock called Sirma SGS Technology. So that is continuing its fifth wave again, as I said, fifth of third. So as I said yesterday in my last video, so these are last 5 days. It has given a good uh, up move. Okay, so we need to be careful, because overall market scenario is bearish to sideways, so this may impact on this particular chart as well. All right, so thanks for your time, and thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and wish you a very happy trading.